Here's the situation on Bitcoin. We can see we have a nice 1-hour vector. We're going to attack the wicks here around 18,18700. And today I'm going to continue the die-in analysis. You were there, so we were here. And I told you, if we break the wicks, you see here, be careful when we get to the wicks here. And what happened? We got to the wicks and there was a pullback. We hit the wicks, I'm leaving. And then we went up here, vector, and we bounced on the Crypto-Quebec indicator. You see it well, the white line. We bounced, we came back to try again. It made a triple O top, a top of tops on a smaller time frame, on 15 minutes, and then bounce. You go back down to fill. There was a fair value gap here, the distance between this wick. It's called a fair value gap. We came to fill it by 80% to bounce. And then, that's it. You see here what also happened. Here there are wicks, and when we reach these wicks here, you see here you always have to look at the wicks to the left. So we came, it made a reversal candlestick. I can get out here and I re-entered on the ass. I'll show you that a bit later today. And then bing, and then I just entered. I'm in here, right on a break of structure. I was checking it. I was telling people in the Discord. And people in the Discord are having a lot of fun. We went up earlier. We made a lot of gains since the morning. Boom, vector on the ass. And then we're having a lot of fun trading all together. If you want to join the Discord, it's free. You come here and you click on Discord. If you want to see my indicator, the indicator that you see I use to do the analysis, you click here and you can get the indicator for free. And if you want to trade with me, I win 85% of my trades. And you take one of the platforms here and you come join me. Look here, the NIO 598, 1009, 1004, 1007. This is the ass, and 117.9. Everyone is trading the ass, because in fact I shared the call and everyone took the call, obviously. So you take one of the platforms there, you click here, and I put you in my group. About 555 traders, plus to multiply money. We have a lot of fun. So take the platform, message me. Let's go back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is pumping.
So you've seen, I told you here, we have a vector, we're going to break the channel, we're going to break the wicks that are there, and we're going to reach this one, 88,800. We need to be careful when we get there. There's going to be a big wave of shorts. Why? But we're hitting the top of my indicator, and when we hit the top, it's quite rare. When we hit the top normally, it gives, okay? The top gives, so we need to be careful, and we need to reevaluate the trade. The only way to break the top here is to have a vector candlestick, which is a green candlestick, as you see right now. And now we have a change of character on the daily. Why? Well, I see it here. When we have a change of character here, it happens in an hour. And when you see a long change of character here, obviously it's my indicator. I know exactly how it works. Now we have a change of character on the daily. So the daily, it's going to go from decreasing to increasing. The character changes to be on an increasing character. So if you like this kind of video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. It costs $0. You'll learn a lot about trading. If you want to see my indicator, come get it on the Discord. It's free. We are over 1,200 people. We have a lot of fun. You can also join me in the Crypto-Quebec trading team. And after that, we are on the platform. And here, if you want, I'm going to do another update on Bitcoin. Because I think when it reaches 1998, 19,800, there will be a lot of shorts. But what will tell us that, in fact, is the vector green candlestick. It's the red vector candlestick that will tell me it's going to be short. So when we get here, it will make a kind of plateau. And then, obviously, if it's a red candlestick, we'll take a trade. Because the target is always there, around 8,030 meters. So that's what I see for Bitcoin. The advantage of trading is that we make money going up and going down. But in life, there's not just one way to become rich. Whatever is good in your trading. So I thank you very much and see you soon.